Do you want to write better copy? Copy that sings, that just flows, that communicates so well that everybody who reads it just wants to do what you ask them to do? Well, I'm going to give you a hint, a tip on how to do that. So I have 3 amazing children. And last night, I shared something that I had written with one of them. It's actually the introduction to my upcoming podcast. Hint, hint, something's coming. And she was driving, and she said, I said, when you get home, I'm going to have this in your inbox, look at it, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. And she said, no, that's not the way we're going to do this. I want you to read it out loud to me. And I said, but you're driving. She says, but that's exactly what's going to be happening when people are listening to your podcast. Wouldn't you want someone to listen to it and give you feedback on this copy in the exact situation that they're going to be actually consuming it later on? I said, absolutely, let's try this. And we went through that process, and it took a while because here's what I discovered. By the way, I've been doing this for years. So the tip is read your copy out loud. The advanced version of that tip is read your copy out loud to someone else who helps you work through what it is that you're trying to say. So here's what ended up happening. I had sat down and carefully crafted a very tight, precise word, quote, perfect version of what I wanted to say. And what ended up happening was, as soon as it came out verbally, it was awkward. It had too many words. It had too many adjectives. It just did not communicate in a nice, flowing, clear style. Now, I've actually been doing this same thing for years. I just didn't think about it for this particular thing. And that was a very valuable exercise. And she helped me tremendously to improve what we were writing. But the important thing is this. When you read it out loud, your ear hears things your brain doesn't get. And your ear will prevent you from doing the trap that all of us fall into, which is we go back to our high school days and try to write these sentences that are, very frankly, awkward in real life. And so there's my suggestion to you. Very simply, read it out loud. Advanced tip, read it out loud to someone else who then gives you feedback on what you're saying. Your copy will be better, it will flow better, and you will be a better communicator as a result. So what do you think? Good idea? Are you going to try it? Have you ever tried it? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your response. This is Don Crowther saying, just go do this stuff.